Well, DP Kids. So you're going to join DP Kids program, and okay, we have a visitor. Who's this?
Nimsara Abhilash.
Yeah, Isira Abhilash. Okay, so Insara, right? Shall we call
Okay.
Insara? Yeah. Okay, right. Insara. So how are you now? Have you gone to school?
Yes.
Right? Yeah, you have.
I do online classes at home.
Okay.
Because of Corona, the schools are also closed, so I'm doing online class.
Okay, online
Yeah.
classes you have, right? Yes. Okay, so we are going to draw because we're using simple shapes. We are going to draw something today, and you also can practice this type of things. Then you can draw nicely and. Well, so today, shall we draw? Okay, so today we are going to
Okay.
draw a bird, right? So a small bird we are going to draw. Shall we turn the paper this side, right? So shall we start? Okay, take your platinum, right? Remove the clip, right? And then first we are going to draw. We are going to use a very simple shape, a half circle like that. Okay, right? Can you? Good. Okay. And then after that we can draw then the beak of the bird. Okay, can you draw the beak? Good. And then another little line like this, and then we can complete its beak like this. Good. Right. And then so we can add the other part of the beak here, and then we can draw another line like this. Next we can start its neck like this. Good. And then big belly. Yes, we can draw. Good. And then we can draw its wings. Little bit more. Yeah. Okay. Right. A little bit longer. Good. And then we can draw different shapes like this. And okay, good. Next we can add its two legs right here, and see, good. Okay, right. And then we can complete this part of the bird. Okay, right. Then we can add now the bird's tail. Yes. See the beautiful tail of the bird. Okay. Right. Okay. Yeah. So okay, little bit more. Okay, right. So now we can give it a beautiful eye like this. Okay. So simple. We have drawn a bird, right? Now we are going to color this, and that's what we are saying you, like you can draw nice pictures using simple ways. Okay, shall we color this then?
Okay,
right, so we'll color. Well, now we have colored the picture. Okay, shall we see and shall we show? Now see how beautiful the bird is. Right, well, wow. You also can use this type of very simple shapes to draw this type of pictures. Okay, so and you can think in a new way and you can draw your own pictures. So today we are going to leave from this program and bringing you another new program. Bye.
Bye.